Hello everyone and welcome to the another episode of English Grammar. In our previous episode, we discussed about the usages of quantifiers like few, a few, the few, and little, a little, and the little. If you have missed the lesson, I have given the link in the description box. You can click to it anytime and enjoy the video. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about some more quantifiers like some, any, much, many, a lot of, and lots of. Learning is very simple and easy with Mr. B. So let's begin. Is it right to say, "Hello Mr. B, do you have some money with you?" "Hello, I don't have some money." "It's okay, no problem." Both the sentences are incorrect. Why? We shall try to understand in this video. Always remember, some is used with positive sentences and any is used with negative and interrogative sentences. Positive sentences are those sentences that say something is so. It does not include the words like no, not, etc. For example, he is my friend, I am feeling hungry, etc. Negative sentences are those sentences that include the words like no, not, etc. For example, I don't like black tea, I don't want to come with you, etc. Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. For example, who is he? What is your name and where are you from, etc. Always remember, interrogative sentences end with a question mark. So with this quick revision, let us continue with our topic. Some is used with positive sentences. It is used to express indefinite but not a very large amount. For example, if you say, I have some money with me, the person listening to you will not have a clear idea how much money you have. The word some refers to an indefinite amount or number. The word some can be used both with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. For example, if you say, he gave me some fruits, the word some has been used with fruits and fruit is a countable noun. On the other hand, if you say, he gave me some money, the word some is used with money and money is an uncountable noun. Money cannot be counted. We cannot say one money, two money, three money, or we cannot say one money, two monies, and three monies, and four monies. So there are two things to remember. The word some is used with positive sentences and it can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Now let us quickly try to understand how the word any is used in a sentence. The word any is used with negative and interrogative sentences. For example, you can say, does he have any idea on computer hardware? This is an example of interrogative sentence. It is a question. You are asking a question. And if he does not have any idea on computer hardware, you would say, no, he does not have any idea on computer hardware. And if he has, then you would say, yes, he has some idea on computer hardware. The word any is used with negative sentences and interrogative sentences, and the word some is used with positive sentence. Yes, he has some idea is a positive sentence. So, does he have any idea on computer hardware is a question, and no, he does not have any idea on computer hardware is a negative sentence. The word any is used with negative and interrogative sentences. So it is absolutely incorrect to ask in this manner, do you have some money? Because the word some is used with positive sentences and any is used with negative and interrogative sentences. Do you have some money is an example of interrogative sentence. It is a question. So do you have some money is a wrong statement. The correct statement would be, do you have any money? And if he has, he would say, yes, I have some money. And if he does not have, then he would say, no, I don't have any money. Now let us talk about how to use much and many in the sentences correctly. Always remember, much is used with uncountable nouns and many is used with countable nouns. Much is also used in negative and interrogative sentences. For example, how much water is in the jar? I said, how much water is in the jar? Much water. I used much with water because water is an uncountable noun. Water cannot be counted. You cannot say one water, two waters, three waters, etc. And as I said, much is used with interrogative sentences as well. This sentence, how much water, is a question. It is an example of interrogative sentence. And in response to this question, how much water is in the jar, your answer could be, there isn't much water in the jar. That means the water in the jar is very less. It is an example of using much in a negative sense. So always remember, much is used with uncountable nouns and it is also used with negative and interrogative sentences. Can you guess which one of these two sentences is correct? He has many knowledge or he has much knowledge? Well, the right answer is he has much knowledge because knowledge is an uncountable noun and we use much with uncountable nouns. Now let us see how many is used in a sentence. Many is used with plural countable nouns. You cannot say many book, many pen. It has to be many books, many pens because many denotes a plural idea. Is it right to say how many mobile phones do you have? Yes, it is right to say how many mobile phones do you have because mobile phones can be counted. It is a countable noun. It is right to say how much rice do you want because rice is an uncountable noun. And it is right to say how many people were there in the meeting because people is a countable noun. Now what about a lot of and lots of? Is there any difference? Well, both the words a lot of and lots of have the same meaning, a large number or quantity. Both a lot of and lots of are used with plural nouns when you cannot count them. For example, you can say there are a lot of people in the ground and there are lots of people in the ground. Both have the same meaning that the number of people in the ground is very big and the number cannot be counted. So in simple words, there is no difference between a lot of and lots of. Both have the same meaning, a large number. You can use whatever you prefer. So friends, if you have found this video to be helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for you will find videos on interesting topics like this. See you next time with another video. Stay tuned.